Welcome to week 6. This week we are covering several different topics, including evaluating sources, synthesizing ideas, integrating sources, and avoiding plagiarism. A few things I want to point out about this week is, first, please be sure to read all the content in the lessons and go through each page in this particular lesson to make sure that you are getting all the information you need to be successful with the rough draft you're writing this week for your homework assignment. I want to make sure that you understand that you need to include a direct quote from a secondary source, and I have that secondary source provided for you. So you need to click on this link and it will take you to a PDF of an academic journal. You need to please read this journal and include, again, one direct quote in your rough draft from this academic journal article. I explain in the lesson how to create in-text citations for direct quotes. I also want to point out that there is a sample essay that you can check out for the literary analysis essay assignment you're working on. And also, in addition to writing the rough draft for essay number 2, you need to complete the week 6 discussion in the forums discussion area in LaLima and create or complete your essay number 1 reflection assignment, which just asks you to think about your first essay, what you did well, what you can improve. If you have questions about this assignment, please let me know. I want to take a minute to look at the rough draft template for essay number 2. Please be sure that you are following this format. This is the MLA format. You're welcome to use this template. That's why I created it, to make this easier for you. You just need to replace this information with your own information. As you write your rough draft, please be sure to include the author and the short story title in your introduction, and your thesis statement should be somewhere near the end, if not at the end of your introduction. And you need to build up to your thesis statement, so you're looking at least 4 to 6 sentences in the introduction. In the supporting paragraphs, please be sure to include at least one direct quote from the short story, The Paper Menagerie, for each major supporting idea you discuss. And for those direct quotes, you will need to include an in-text citation. Also, somewhere in the supporting paragraphs or body of your draft, please include one direct quote from the academic journal essay or article that I mentioned previously. And at the end of this template, you will see a works cited page that includes the academic journal essay you will read and quote, and then the paper menagerie. So I did the works cited entries for you. I made this for you, so you don't have to worry about it this time, but there are videos in here that talk in detail about how to create your works cited page, because you will be doing that independently for the next essay. If you have any questions about any of the homework assignments this week, please let me know.